Aurangzeb is an invader. He has destroyed our culture and they have destroyed our religion and our faith and belief. So having such kind of person tomb is something against the interest of our country. So there is a lot of ill will against Aurangzeb's tenure and his period. Even now, we can't glorify what he has done to our country. So, people are expressing their anger against the existence of Aurangzeb tomb. I think that's the sentiment of the people.
Sir, your State Minister, Mr. Priyank Kharge, a few minutes ago said, these are the issues which are raised only by the BJP to create some kind of a issue with no issue. When world is watching towards AI, why this is required at this point of time?
Okay. Why? What stops Congress from rising? Nothing stops them from rising. Let them rise. Nothing stops them. Why can't Mr. Priyank talk about it? Nation first. How can we build a nation having that kind of glorification who has destroyed our country, who is an invader? You expect us to glorify Aurangzeb? Is it the history of in the history what they have done? We know very well. Priyank, people like Priyank, that's the reason we are still suffering, still appeasement politics. He is talking about AI, what this government is doing about AI. What is this government is doing? What is that investment? What is that priority? Are they prioritizing education, quality education? Are they talking about equality? Are they talking about quality health? What do they understand? Politics. They just want to come to power. They are just making use of the treasury money to ensure their political goals, how best they can continue in power. They are not in the interest and welfare of the people of Karnataka. They are against the interest of our society.